It's nothing less than revolutionary. Over 12,000 implants restored with this technology. This is tried and true and tested. This is super efficient. I've been doing this 36 years. I can never imagine being able to treat patients this accurately with this type of efficiency.
You're not only delivering a functional result, but the aesthetics on it rival what we do at the highest level.
Shorter visits, because it can be done in literally 2 visits, and being that it's less costly, like photogrammetry, things along those lines, it certainly can bring the cost down significantly to make it better access to care for patients.
If you're not digital in your office and you have a simple intraoral scanner, this is not going to be a big leap of change or a leap of faith. It is very trainable. You're able to capture the implants in 3-dimensional space, which you're trying to do with all the other techniques, but this is very accurate because of the algorithm that it uses. So you're now going to get restorations that fit passively within 10 microns, which is unheard of. The standard before was somewhere around 100 microns. We don't want to overload the implants. And by having something that passively fits over 4, 5, 6 implants, it just is a game changer.
It is going to change the way dentistry is done in the implant realm exponentially.
What Nexus brings to the table is that wow factor that was missing from this type of restoration. Why would you do it any other way? I mean, it's the way to go.